I'm Dan Berschinski, and I'm running for the Georgia Assembly to represent House District 54.
I was born and raised here in Georgia. I attended public schools from kindergarten through high school. I chose to go to college at West Point, after which I served as an Army infantry officer until I was wounded in Afghanistan. Leading soldiers in combat was a huge responsibility and an incredible honor. My experience taught me that service comes before self-interest. When I look at our General Assembly, I see a lot of self-interest. I see a legislature proposing bills that would legalize discrimination in our local businesses. I see state leadership using tax policy as a weapon against the state's largest employer. I'm a small business owner, working and living in Buckhead. When I see our current representatives in the Assembly voting to legalize discrimination, voting to harm a hometown business purely for partisan gain, I can't help but think that these representatives care more about promoting themselves than they care about doing what is best for the state. Georgia deserves better. A robust business environment funds our schools, raises the values of our homes, improves our roads, and provides us with resources that contribute to the wonderful community that we have here.
Nowadays, getting up can be a challenge, but standing up for what I believe in, that's easy. I believe in keeping Georgia's economy strong. I believe that discrimination is discrimination, no matter what you call it. I believe that success should be rewarded while making sure that everyone has an opportunity to succeed. I'm Dan Berschinski. I believe in putting service before self. I believe in Georgia.